Hello, this is for my restaurant, Coco Bar. So, Coco Bar is a cozy, warm, and fun place to make your own creation of hot chocolate. Our restaurant has a welcoming atmosphere that is different from most coffee shops. Come and study, meet with friends, or just relax and stay warm. We're located next to Walmart Shopping Center on Leola Street in Boone, North Carolina. And our tagline is Keep It Toasty. So, for the Coco Bar menu, I wanted to do something that was different yet still exciting. um, so small is $3, medium is $3.75, and large is $4.25. It might sound expensive, but when you go pay coffee, it's usually like $5 or $6. So for the base, you get to choose one. I wanted to do different types of milk that meet dietary needs, so like dairy free and stuff. Flavors, you also get to choose one. Toppings and extras, you get to choose two. Um, and I also wanted there to be snacks, so like cookies, Rice Krispies, brownie, bagel, muffin, mixed fruit, oatmeal, and breakfast sandwiches. I wanted to add the snacks in there and keep them reasonably priced because it's a way to keep more customers in. So for menu services and pricing, I wanted this menu to be simple and meet dietary needs while also being affordable. So when I go to a coffee shop, I don't want to pay loads of money when I could just make something at home. But since this is something different, and hot chocolate is relatively inexpensive, with the low prices, there could still be a profit. Also, the restaurant would be counter service, just like Starbucks, so there's less wait staff needed. So for CSR and resource conservation, we would host charity events and volunteer throughout the community. We would also participate in fair trade and partake in environmentally conscious investments. In order to partake in energy conservation, we utilize tips such as the following: energy efficient equipment, reduce water consumption, energy efficient lighting, and decrease heat usage. So this is important because we want to show that we're not just focused on the little picture of making money in a small town, more of the wide scope of things and how we can help just a small business, what we can do, our part to help the environment and the economy.